'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks.
Alright guys, Evans here from EvansStretchFitness. Here we go again. If you really want to have a strong core and strong lower back, to strengthen your back, this exercise, it is for you. If you want your core to be visible, I'm going to give you 4 exercises that you're going to do that is going to keep your core, that is going to make your core to remain visible till you die. Even at your 80s, 70s, people will be asking, whose uncle is that? And that is me. Alright, before we go further guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do subscribe, like, and don't forget to leave your comment, especially on this aggressive exercise that we're going to do. Just 4 exercises, 3 times in a week, then you cook. And don't forget, like I said, to leave your comment. So are you ready to roll? Let's go!
Alright guys, here's the best way to perform mountain climber for better result. Slow and controlled. Instead of running, slowly draw the knee to the chest and hold for a second. This places a greater emphasis on the deep core strength rather than cardio. The hip flexors and quadriceps are heavily involved in this driving motion. Mountain climbers are a highly efficient compound exercise you need to do. This is called Deadbug exercise for strong core. Exhale as you extend your lips and inhale as you return to the center. Keep your back flat. If your back are edged or lift off the floor, your core is not engaging properly. Decrease your range of motion until you have the strength to keep your spine stable. That is how to get the best result out of Deadbug. Alright guys, this is another massive core workout. It's called Cocoon Crunches. While doing this exercise, avoid pulling your neck. Focus on using your core muscles to lift your tonsils rather than you yanking your head or neck forward with your hands, and protect your lower back. Guys, this is called the dragon flag and it's an elite calisthenic exercise popularized by Bruce Lee. Its primarily benefits including your extreme core strength, developing full body muscular tension, and improving functional stability because it's performed as a strict rigid lever. It forces the abs, obliques, back, and glute to work together simultaneously. This requires tension from head to toes. Your lat, tricep, and glute lock the body into a gradient line to maintain form.
Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.